Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Welcome back everybody. It is Saturday. It is Saturday, August 15th, 2020, and it is weigh-in day. I was out here in the pool this morning enjoying my morning bang and just relaxing in the pool, doing some exercise. I like to do some laps until my legs hurt. Basically, that's the only exercise I do, and it isn't a heck of a lot if you want to be honest. I decided that since I was already out here and enjoying myself in the outdoors, that I would just make my video out here for you today, because normally I put it off all day because I don't want to do my hair and get my makeup on and make myself look all awesome for you guys and set up my thing with the light, and I thought, you know what, I am just gonna show it like it is. This is what I do every single morning. I just come out here by myself and enjoy the heat of the summer and enjoy my pool. This is a 26-foot Coleman pool that is 52 inches deep. It's not too bad. It's not like super deep. Like, you could probably swim in here, but I don't like to get my hair wet, so I'm kind of lame. I don't really swim. So when I say I'm getting in the pool in the morning to like swim, it's really more like to like walk and float and just enjoy. Anyway, so I'm out here and I thought, well, I'm just gonna record out here for you guys. You guys don't get to see this side of me very often, so why not? Plus, except for the fact that the wind keeps blowing over my camera. Are you there? Are you there? We're here. Oh my gosh. And my hair is flying all over the place. I try not to think about that too much. Anyway, so I just thought I would make my Saturday weigh-in check-in video out here for you guys. It's my last day of summer before I have to start doing all of the crazy stuff that I have to do with my kids going to getting their homeschool things ready and all of that. So I am trying to stay out here and enjoy it as long as I can. Anyway, how did the week go for me this week? Last week, I don't know if you guys remember, but I was talking about what my action goals were for the week. And I had decided that this week I was going to try and do the best I could with my macros, but I was going to give myself a little leeway because I've been feeling a little bit antsy, a little bit more hungry, and I was thinking maybe my body was just kind of getting tired of the cut. And so I decided that I was going to allow myself a little leeway if I felt like I needed a little bit more calories this week. So a couple of days this week, I did hit 1,400 calories, which is 150 calories over what I normally consume on a weight loss cut. Now, if you're new and you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about doing a cut, I just did a video on Tuesday, and there is now a playlist for my whole results. So if you're new, go check out that Keto Cut playlist. If you can't find the playlist, they are up at the top of my page. If you click on my channel, there's a little bar across the top, and it says there's a button for playlists, and that's where all of the recipes and that kind of stuff that people are looking for. I have playlists up there for various topics, so definitely go check that out if you are new and you're curious what I'm talking about. But my calorie level for my cut is about 1250. I try and hover around 1250. I rarely go over. Sometimes I go under, but not very often. It's pretty much what I stick to every single day. So hitting 1,400 2 days this week is about 300 extra calories for the week. I really didn't think it would make that much difference in the weight loss department. I really thought that, it would just kind of give me a little kick and make me feel a little better, and it did. And I'm back to doing the calorie restriction. I can't remember what days I ate the higher calories, but they were kind of midweek. And now I'm back to my 1250 just fine, no big deal. Yesterday was great. I feel like everything's been going really, really great this week. Now, this is my week of my cycle that I tend to retain water. So, a couple weeks ago I talked about how I was retaining water when I didn't expect to, and I was not happy about that. And I was like blaming it maybe on electrolyte shortage, or something like that. But I am starting to think that my body is just a messed up, weird thing, because I never ever know for sure when things like that are going to happen. I was super glad it only lasted a short time. So that makes me think it was electrolytes, because those are usually pretty easy. It takes less than a week to fix that problem usually if it happens. So yeah, last week I was back to normal, and this week I was kind of expecting to put on some water weight. I didn't really talk about it because I was really hoping it wouldn't happen. But I'm sure you can imagine that that's what I am leading up to. So rather than making you guys wait a billion years and listen to me chat about nothing, I am going to go ahead and show you the weigh-in right now and then come back and talk about it. Did your face look like my face when you saw that number? What happened? Holy crap! What will really shock your socks off is when I tell you that yesterday I was 173 pounds. Yeah, 6 pounds gained overnight, in one night. What? I'm just like, it's kind of hilarious. My reaction was not even like disappointment. It was more like, what? I laughed and I was like, okay. That was unexpected. That's kind of weird. Yeah, like I don't even know what to think about that. Like, no clue what to even think about that. So, 179.2. What is that? Okay, so yeah, since it's kind of an outlier, I'm not going to give it too much credence. I did do my measurements just out of curiosity and was greatly disappointed to see I'd gone up on almost every single measurement on my entire body, so I just didn't even write it down because that would depress me. I will just wait until I lose enough to get back to where I was, but if I remember correctly, I put on an inch around my waist, which you guys know I was super excited to have lost that, so that was a bummer. I didn't put any on my hips, which I guess is good. On my arms, I put back on the 1/4 inch I had lost, and on my legs, I put back on the 1/2 inch I had lost, and yeah, kind of lame. And I'm just like, back in the back of my mind, I'm like, did those 2 1,400 calorie days make me gain fat? And if so, I am gonna be screwed. Right? Like, but I don't really think so, especially since it came on overnight. Probably okay, go back off overnight. With my luck, I'll be back to normal tomorrow, or at least on my way back down. Who knows? Usually I tend to put on 6 or 7 pounds, but it like takes a few days to like build up. So yeah, I don't even know what to think about this. Like, it's just annoying. But you know what? It gives me something to talk about, right? And I feel like when these things happen, it's good for me to share them with you, because I think everybody thinks I'm some like enigma. I have like no faults and I just do everything right all the time and I never mess up and I never gain weight and I just always lose weight and everything's always great. Well, those of you who are longtime watchers of this channel know that that's a bunch of BS. I think that's a misconception that people get from just coming here and saying that I'm done, or not that I'm done, but that I've had a really good success. And so I think a lot of people don't really connect with me because they think that I don't understand where they're coming from, but I do. And that's the thing, you know, I really was 374 pounds when I began this journey on January 1st, 2017. I really was. I have real proof of that. And I really was over 300 pounds for my entire adult life. Excepting for one time where I was able to lose and get down to 225, but then I put that all back on plus 40. So I have been where you have been, and I know how much of a challenge things like this can be. And even now, when I've done this so many times, and it has happened to me so many times, it still can throw me for a loop, but I am not letting it. I am just gonna treat it like an outlier, not really take it very seriously. I am sure that very soon it will be back to normal and that my inches will be back to normal. I'm just, for some strange reason, my body is just like panicking over water and it's making me retain it and I don't understand why. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna relax in the sun and I am gonna enjoy my time in the pool while I still can, as many times I still can before it gets too cold. And I am gonna keep doing what I'm doing. I have a few more weeks left of this cut. I've got 2 more weeks. I decided I'm going 13 weeks instead of 12. I'm gonna give myself 2 weeks to get rid of this water weight so I can have like a good end result. My secret pounds goal for the end of this is to be 169, but I don't know that that's gonna happen. 10 pounds in 2 weeks. Good Lord. I hate it when stuff like this happens. Like, I was so close. I know logically that I am still close, and it's okay, and that it's not really losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks. It's just dropping a bunch of water weight that my body decided to retain, and it's really inconvenient. But I do have hope that I will see the 160s before I go into my reverse diet. Obviously, putting on 150 calories really quickly isn't the best idea for me. I really think that Tammy from Keto Cricket is right, and that I really need to go slowly. So after week 13, I will be starting my reverse diet. I will let you guys know exactly what I'm doing, but I will be basically putting the calories on slowly, which is going to be very difficult, obviously, since I start to get a little panicky and I really, really want to eat. And I will add on a lot more than I meant to because I just feel hungry. So I really need to focus on lean protein, filling up those calories with more bulk and less, you know, get more for my calorie buck, I guess, at the beginning so that I feel like I'm eating more. That's my plan. Anyway, I'll talk all about that in another video, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm really close to the end of this keto cut for the summer. I can't believe I've made it this far. I'm really proud of myself, and even though the scale is being super dumb today, I am still feeling good. So, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was okay me being out here in the pool. I'm actually gonna maybe step away a little bit so that you guys can kind of see how I'm looking. I haven't really shown you guys in my swimsuit this summer. And of course today I don't look as good as I did last week. Maybe I should have just done this for you last week, but I'm going to show you a little bit. And keep in mind, I will be doing another loose skin video for you guys in September, like a year comparison kind of thing. But I'm going to show you a little bit right now since I'm already out here, already exposed in the sun. I'm gonna step back a little bit, kind of show you. I mean, obviously the water's deep, so I can't show you everything, but yeah, you can see my arms for sure. And I'm gonna come on over here. Happy with how I'm looking this summer and looking forward to trying something new with the reverse dieting. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon. Bye.